Hello everyone watching this. This is Fehmi the Heather and you are watching Fehmi's Art channel. Fehmi is here again with amazingly beautiful art form of how to preserve dried flowers in the resin, epoxy resin. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe, like, share and click the press icon below for some tips and tricks so that you can make this art form at home. Want to breathe new life into your already dried wedding flowers? You can preserve dried flowers of your special occasion in resin. A popular idea is for you to preserve your bouquet in resin. This will last for many years, and whenever you look at it, all the special memories will come flooding back. Pour high viscosity, clear, glossy resin on the dried flowers. The ratio is almost 2:1 every time. I have poured the resin in the silicone mold, and because I never wanted any frame around it. See, look at the crystal clear, it looks like a glass. I have poured almost 3 layers of resin to achieve this thickness. It is almost an inch of thickness and it gives a very beautiful result. The condition is you have to remember the flowers should be dried completely. So friends, you can insert the handles also and make it a tray. See, I have inserted a glass handle into my epoxy resin tray and it looks beautiful and really beautiful. So guys, if you have liked my videos, do not forget to subscribe my channel Fehmi's Art and click the bell button for more updates. Thank you.